Can changing your thinking really change your life? Thoughts become things. Choose the good ones by Mike Dooley. Consider this. Read countless studies about successful people, and though the diversity you find among them is astounding, they are like in one way how they think. That is very important. That is the one thing that separates the successful from the unsuccessful one. Consider this fact. The good thing is that it is possible to learn how to think like a successful person. We can learn from a good thinker. We need to know what they. I believe that good thinking is not just one thing, it consists of several specific thinking skills. So, becoming a good thinker means developing those skills to the best of your ability. There are plenty of reasons why you should think like successful people. Becoming a good thinker means developing those skills to the best of your ability. When you know the reasons, you would be more motivated to adopt this attitude. Discover the wisdom that separates the successful from the unsuccessful now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So we will see in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.